Well, now that I have these new pots and pans, and I have this awesome pots and pans drawer that I can actually open and shut all by myself, I'm going to have to cook on that fancy new stove. So we'll see how it goes. Tune in later. Well, so far so good. I figured out how to turn it on. It was easy too. Okay, I remember how to boil chicken. That's a good start. I'm gonna make something out of Celebrating a Century Back Home, Cooking with the Webbs. That's my Mama's Family's cookbook. This is what I'm gonna make, chicken roll-ups. Greasy Hyde Carter's recipe. It's yummy. As you can see, I have notes and post-it. Gotta look in my little pantry for some cream of chicken soup. There it is. This recipe is so simple. It must not even be good for you, but all you need is cream of chicken soup, crescent rolls, cheddar cheese, and the chicken. And you roll out the triangles and put about 2 ounces of diced chicken on each. Sprinkle with cheese, roll up, place in a Pam sprayed dish. Mix soup and milk together and pour over the roll-up. Sprinkle cheese on top. Bake for 30 minutes at 350. Serve with rice. And it's so yummy. Great comfort food. Thanks, Reese, for this. I've been using it for years.
No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Come along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Come along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Come along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy.
Now you gotta open crescent rolls. Uh-oh, I forgot to spray the dish. Whoops. It's in the oven cooking. Now we wait. Jim's home from fishing.
Could have waited a little longer, something not that quite.
Look at all those sunbeams we have. At least he's setting the table. Okay, let's see if it turned out. Oh, I think it looks pretty yummy.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Oh, it smells so good. I used way too much cheese. You don't need that much cheese.
Who doesn't need that much cheese?
So the rice, put some rice on your plate, put this on top. It's delicious. I recommend eating vegetables with this. Broccoli, Brussels sprouts, carrots, salad, something with vitamins. Thanks for watching. So here too. Hi, fat cat. Hi. What's she doing? Nothing. See you later.